Happy anniversary, sweetie. Do you need any help?
No, I still got these two fingers working.
I still don't understand how you did that with a pencil sharpener.
It was an electric pencil sharpener. Those things have torque. Hey, it's a wallet. And there's a lottery ticket in here. Hey, it's already scratched.
Sorry you didn't win.
Well, that's a time saver.
What did you get me?
Okay, well, I put a lot of thought into your present this year.
Love coupons?
It's romantic.
Good for one shoulder rub. But I already get shoulder rubs.
But now you can have one whenever you like.
You don't like rubbing my shoulders?
I love rubbing your shoulders.
Then this is kind of a gift for you.
You said no appliances.
I meant don't get me another iron. Don't go buy something for yourself I already get for free.
Happy anniversary! H is for happiness. A is for anniversary. P is for the pair of you. P is for the pair you are.
Millie.
Y is for the yogurt. Every morning.
All right, great. That was a fantastic song. Thank you.
I'll just jump to it. This is for you.
Holy crap.
It's a trip for two to Europe.
Oh my God, Millie, this is fantastic.
Read the card.
H is for happiness. A for anniversary. P is for...
And then a week in Tuscany
I've always wanted to go.
and a tour of the Grecian islands.
We can't accept this
Why not?
Yeah, why not?
because it's inappropriate.
It's more appropriate than getting your wife an anniversary gift you didn't even spell check.
What's a foot message?
Here, you can also have a back rib.
Those coupons are non-transferable.
A grumpaloo bong? Damn hippies.
Hey, Candy Pie. You got Millie's fan mail sorted?
Sorted? I was just gonna give it to her.
No. Never just give Millie a big bag of mail. As a rule, never just give her a big bag of anything.
I don't have time for that, the way the phone's been ringing off the hook. Ring, damn it.
Taylor, I need you in my office right away.
Whoa, Joyce. Give a guy a minute to freshen up.
Just get in here.
All right. Better hold her calls. So, how do you want to start? Should I dim the lights or?
Oh, get back to reality. There is a head shop downtown selling bootleg Grumpaloo bongs.
Well, that's outrageous. They can't be ripping off our authentic Grumpaloo bongs.
There are no authentic Grumpaloo bongs. The Grumpaloos are kids' books. They do not belong on drug paraphernalia.
Getting legal on the phone.
No lawyers. I do not want Millie finding out about this. She'll overreact. Remember when she zapped that litter bug with her taser?
I wasn't littering. I was trying to hit the trash can.
Well, you never littered since.
Okay, first of all,
Oh, great, a list. Let me grab a pen. Okay, shoot.
I wanted to thank you for the anniversary gift.
You're welcome. Number 2.
I feel that a gift that extravagant is maybe a bit inappropriate. It's like if you bought a sailboat for your dentist.
Ugh, Drillbo Baggins? I don't think so.
If you're going to get us something, it should be something smaller.
Like a helper chimp.
No.
They're helpful.
No animals.
A hybrid car.
Too expensive.
A hybrid helper chimp.
You got to keep it simple. And within the parabola of our, professional situation.
Got it. No more expensive gifts for me.
A letter from your parents.
Dear son, it's me, your parents. Since we're your parents and you're my son, and we are in no way in a professional situation, I thought you would enjoy this trip to Europe. Have fun, your parents.
Oh, this is fantastic.
Yeah, so was Stargate Atlantis. That doesn't mean it happened. This is Millie.
You're just being paranoid.
It's written on Grumpaloo stationery. I don't even think my dad owns a glitter pen.
Greetings. Welcome to Buzznuts.
I'm wondering about that device in the window with the little design on it.
The Grumpadude bong. You show fine taste, milady. It's one of a kind.
You don't have any others?
Oh, sadly, no. But I do have a full supply of Wacky Jack papers.
Thanks, Ziggy, but just the bong. One of a kind, right?
Like a snowflake.
How's that fan mail coming?
Well, I've broken it down to 3 categories: love, hate, and crazy. But I can't figure out where to put this one. It just reads like a lonely, desperate plea from some single mother.
I'll handle that one. Is there a picture?
Well, I bought the bong.
You bought a bong?
And the good news is, it's one of a kind.
So, problem solved.
Now I just gotta get the smell of patchouli off me.
You bought a bong.
I'll tell Millie.
No! Remember? Taser?
Right.
You bought a bong.
Morning, honey. I got up early, thought I'd make you some breakfast. I know it's no trip to Europe.
Got that right.
I thought maybe later we could go for a walk, and then we could go see that movie you've been talking about.
I guess we can, since I have nowhere else to go for the next 6 weeks.
You know, my finely honed intuition is telling me.
Hey, Doc. I got you guys another anniversary present, but don't worry, because this one is way more appropriate, but just as awesome.
Millie, I don't want you spending a bunch.
Wait to see what it is before you poop on it and send it back.
Ta-da! Aren't they great?
The sizes seem a little off.
That's because that's hers.
Isn't hers hers?
No, yours is hers because you're hers. Hers is his because she's yours. I mean, I guess yours could be his and hers because you're your own people, right? But that's what's so great about these hats, is that they work on so many different levels. Plus, they're adjustable.
Well, thank you, Millie. That is very sweet.
She doesn't seem to be enjoying her hat as much as you and I.
No, I think she's enjoying it about the same amount.
What the? Snowflake my ass. Hey, let me in! I want that bomb!
This neighborhood's gone to hell.
Listen, I know you're disappointed about the holiday, so I talked to Millie and decided to take you on a European tour.
Oh my God, Europe? I can't believe it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Well, I didn't actually finish. Geez, this isn't going to sound as good now. A European tour of the city.
Guten Tag! We begin our guided tour with breakfast in Old Holland. Welcome to the Swiss Alps. I hope you enjoy our cheese. Ah, romantic Venezia, where the streets are paved with water.
Aren't you coming with us?
Oh, hold on to this rope. Ah, I should have tied that to something. Welcome to Little Athens, home of Plato, Socrates, Aristotle, and Kevin.
What's up?
Aren't you finished yet?
This isn't as easy as it looks. I've had to start subdividing all the categories. Love is now divided into appreciation, adoration, and obsession.
Shouldn't obsession go in your crazy pile?
It's not just crazy anymore. It's now harmless nut, distant threat, and disturbing pictures. Then I've got this one that reads like adulation, but it's made with letters cut out from a magazine. I'm gonna have to start another pile.
And that is why we don't give them all to Millie.
Well, the hippie lied. I saw another bong in the window. Who knows how many there are?
You bought another bong. Does no one else think this is weird?
We obviously can't trust these people.
These people, Joyce, really? What have you got against hippies?
Mom, Dad, would you turn that crap down? I'm trying to study.
Hey! Come on down, man! It's Jake Lamar's birthday!
So, should I call our lawyer?
No, I will deal with this Che Guevara-loving hippie myself.
Why don't I come along? We can get some tie-dyed shirts, some Rasta wigs. Go deep undercover.
No, you stay here and help Crystal.
Why do I have to stay here?
Why does he have to stay here?
Okay, you can come, but no talking.
All right, man.
Especially not like that.
Oh, milady. We were fated to meet again.
I see you have another Grumpaloo bong in the window.
Keen eye.
You told me the bong I bought was one of a kind.
All my bongs are one of a kind. Each piece is handcrafted by the world's finest bong blowers.
All right, listen up, hippie. I hate to kill your buzz, but what you have here is pirated merchandise.
We were willing to overlook the first offense because you're a dirty hippie, but obviously you have no respect for copyright law.
I resent those accusations. Now, are you two gonna buy something? Because it's almost 2 o'clock and I need to close up shop.
We're not going anywhere.
I should probably plug the meter then. Can you make change?
I'm sorry. I do not know how to play this thing.
I think I'd like to go home, Stan.
But we're going to go to Ireland next. I was going to drink a Guinness and get into a fight.
I appreciate the effort, but now I just really want to go to Europe. The real Europe, in case you're planning any more surprises.
You can't leave now, lassie. We're just about to toss the cable. Oh, screw this country. Oh.
Listen, everything's cool.
No, milord, everything's not cool. It's the opposite of cool.
Tepid?
Well, well, well. Look what I found. And you say this is made of hemp? Because it breathes like a dream. Oh, and Joyce, there's a shelf full of Grumpaloo bongs back there.
Taylor, let's go. Grab those boxes. We're gonna confiscate these goods.
Hey, wait, you can't do that.
Freeze, hippie.
That's breath freshener.
And I'm not afraid to use it.